Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie this turban right here. Well, it's like a scarf, but well, it's a turban, but I got it designed in, form of a scarf. It's got two sides. One is short and the other side is very long and very beaded. I don't know if you can see. I don't know what the camera's doing for it, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I can't stand up, but my boo dress is from, if I'm not saying this wrong, it's from RT by Itsladejohnson. I think that's what she's called. She's on Insta. Actually, let me find out 1 second. Oh, it's RTW by Itsladejohnson. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So if you guys wanted, a Nigerian kaftan boo-boo for the summer, she's a girl to hook you up. It's quite affordable as well. I think when I paid for this, which was when I can't stand up because it's very big. I got this made when I was pregnant and it fits really loose right now, but I just put it on because I wanted to do something, to incorporate the colours on here, on my face. So I don't know if that makes sense, but it's making sense in my head. I don't know if it's making sense as I'm saying it out loud, but yeah. So that's why I can't stand up, but what was I saying? I had a point. They're not expensive, basically. I think I got this for about 15k, or maybe 10k. I'm not sure. No, I think I paid about 10k. Yeah, I think it was about 10. Yeah, I think it was about 10k. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was about 10 or 15,000 naira. I'm not sure, but it's affordable, by London standards anyway. Place it on your head like a scarf, like this, like so. And what you do is just literally tie it. When I got this made, I had little pleats made in it because I wanted it to look like I wanted it to somewhat look like a ghillie, turban. A little bit of pleating has already been done for me. So I'm gonna take the shorter hand, and what you do, guys, is just wrap it round. There's no, oh wait 1 second, let me get a mirror. There's no rocket science here, just wrap it round, literally. You don't have to do much. After doing the pleats in front, like I told you, it's 3 pleats. So yeah, what you want to do is just wrap around. Wait, let me get this a bit more tight. So what you want to do is just wrap. Wrap once, all the way back, wrap again, and then tuck in, right? Easy, first part, easy. Then second part, You might want to tuck this back in as well, so you don't have any loose bits. So the second part, what you do is literally just tie and tuck. Alright. Tie over the blue with the orange. And yeah. And I don't know if you're noticing, you can't see the blue netting anymore, the blue beaded netting. So what I do is I just bring out the netting from the bottom part. So you can see. You can also tie like the blue netting a little bit further back, so you have like a two-step kind of thing, but I don't like that, so I like to just show it on the sides, like in front and at the back, so it looks like a crisscross sort of thing. So guys, this is a finished look. Just fiddle with it until you get your desired, style. This is what I want my turban to look like today. And yeah, another thing, do you want the V? Can you see that V over there? Yeah, you want that to show. So you want to push the netting back a little bit. But mine's a scarf, but obviously you can get the ones that are hats. I don't like them ones. I don't like having to wear something on my head. I rather like place it on my head, And this also is looking like a mini gele, It's looking really nice. Well, I'm hoping it's looking really nice. It's not good to be too confident, It might, to some people's standards, it might not be looking nice. So if you think this looks nice, drop me a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you like this style. Yeah guys, so this is a finished look and that's it guys. And if you were going to a party and you wanted your hairline to show, all you have to do is just just slide it back a little bit, and yeah, and that's it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video also, if you don't mind. And if there are any other videos, any other like types of videos that you want to see on my channel, then drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know, and I'll definitely get that done for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm sorry I've been, MIA for a while. The last time I recorded a video, my daughter was about 6 months old, and after that, obviously as a mother you have to oh god, this cough is not going to be the death of me. As a mother you have to look after your kids, so I had to look after my daughter. Then I fell pregnant again and had my son, so it's been a bit chaotic, my family life has been a bit here and there, so that's why I haven't been stable enough to make videos for you guys. But hopefully my kids are a lot, not older, but a lot more. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. somewhat more independent. So my daughter's going to nursery now, so I've got time to, you know, make videos for you guys. And if there's anything you want to see from me, then drop a comment, like I said before, and let me know, and I'll definitely get that out for you. And hope in this new year we grow together, and hope I'm, you know, able to create better content and new content for you guys. And I love you guys for all the support, and I hope you keep on coming back to watch me, you know, and we do great things together. And yeah, I hope I don't ramble on too much. Like, I hope you guys don't think I'm a chatterbox. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Stay blessed.